And welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen that the gold is trading at a level of $1917.15 as of now. Okay, and if you look at this particular week, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside, and previous week we have seen there is a red candle is forming. That means the price of gold has moved down. Okay, and both are tested at a level of around $1886. Okay, that means both the levels we have seen, it has made a support which is already weak. First thing, keep it in mind that if the price comes close to this level, chances of falling further down we can see. Okay, or second thing is that there is a pattern is created. Okay, till when? April of 2023. After that there is opposite pattern is forming. Okay, and I have already told you that if the price move below a level of 1939, chances are very high it will go further down. Why? Because there is again a pattern forming opposite of this pattern. If we go beyond from July of 2020 beyond, we have seen a U pattern is forming here. Okay, and this pattern is from 2012 to 2020. But if we go after 2020, there are two patterns forming. Okay, this is a 2-year pattern and this is an 8-month pattern. Okay, and similarities are same, but as of now what we can see, there is a opposite U pattern is forming, and chances are very high if the price fall below again to a level of around below 1900, we will see a further fall. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, look at this particular chart. We have seen that the price, after making a high of around $1923, it is now trading at a level of 1917.13. okay, and if the price started falling below this particular level, we can see it will go further down, because there is a higher chances that it can move below this zone, because it is already moved a week before that it is trading there. That means it is trading in this zone from 2 weeks, and chances will be high that as soon as it moves out of this zone, we can see it will go further upside or downside. Okay, now it is trading at a level of 1916.91. okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, and chances are high that once started, that means if it is in this zone, then only we will see it will move in this zone. Otherwise, if it move out of this zone, that means if it crosses a level of around 1920, then we can see a probability of going further upside. We can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of around $1922. okay, and if the price sustain above that particular level, we will see it can touch a level of around $1930. okay, because chances are very high as soon as it started sustaining above this level, we can see it will go towards $1922 to a level of around $1932. okay, after crossing a level of 1930. okay, and once it started moving off that level, then we can see a level of $1939 to a level of around 1948. okay, and this 1948 is already being tested, so chances are very high it will go further high, and a probability of going further upside towards 1956 will be there, and then we can see a level of $1955. okay, and then a probability of going further upside we can see. Keep that in mind that there is a probability of going further down, but as of now, if it sustain above 1934, then only we can see it will go further upside. Otherwise, if it is moving below this particular zone, we will see that there is a higher chances that it will go further low. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, because market is always uncertain. If you are thinking that the market will go upside or downside, okay, it will not go as per you, how the data is coming, how the news is coming and all that. okay, but the market knows news better than you. okay, so keep that in mind. You can rely on the chart. okay, what you can do is always remember, when there is a news or breakout happening, there will be a volatility. Always try to reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL and target by twice, so that your SL will not hit, rather hitting your targets. okay, Now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, it can move further low towards a level of around $1910.65. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, it will go below a level of around 1900. Okay, suppose if the price fall below 1900, then chances of going further down we can see, and a probability of going further low towards a level of around 1885 is there. This 1885 is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will go further low, and a probability of touching a level of 1870 is there. Okay, so once the price fall below 1870, then a probability of going towards a level of around 1865 we can see, and to a level of around 1856. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, we can see it will go towards a level of around 1843, and from there a probability of going towards a level of around $1835. Keep that in mind that as soon as it started moving below 1900, chances are very high it will cross a level of around 1880, and a probability of going towards 1859 will be there, and to a level of 1848. Once the price fall below this level, then we can see it will go towards $1829, and then a further low we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm going to mail it is also in the description. Okay, and remember something, that as soon as if there is a breakout happening, then only we can see there will be a good volatility, otherwise it will move in a zone. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm going to mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my